Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the Managing Director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're discussing easing of entry rules to Thailand. This first came to my attention via TAT News. That's the Tourism Authority of Thailand, their news website, tatnews.org. And the announcement's titled, Thailand lifts RT-PCR testing requirement for international arrivals from May 1, 2022. So we're talking about this prospectively as of the time of this video. This will not begin until May 1st of 2022. Quoting directly, Bangkok, April 22nd, 2022, Thailand's Center for COVID-19 Situation Administration, CCSA, today approved the lifting of the RT-PCR testing requirement for international arrivals beginning May 1, 2022, and introduced two new entry schemes specifically customized for vaccinated and unvaccinated travelers. So for purposes of this video, we're going to concentrate on the vaccinated. We'll do another video contemporaneously with this one where we discuss issues for unvaccinated travelers. New entry rules for vaccinated travelers. International travelers who are fully vaccinated will no longer be required to show proof of pre-arrival negative RT-PCR test nor undergo an arrival test. They will still be required to register for a Thailand pass with a certificate of COVID-19 vaccination and an insurance policy with coverage no less than $10,000 US. Once arriving in Thailand, they will be allowed entry and free to go anywhere in the kingdom. So all good news for the vaccinated, I would say. I have some qualms about the fact that we're still dealing with Thailand pass, and I'll get into that in another video. But for purposes of this video today, understand, yes, things are going to be easing up. The RT-PCR test is not going to be required from May 1, and those who are vaccinated can prove such and deal with the Thailand pass. You basically enter Thailand, no mandatory hotel, you're good to go. So for now, it's definitely an improvement over what we've been dealing with over the past, months now. But that said, we're still not at the end of this yet. And as I've noted in other videos previously, and I'm going to be discussing in other ones coming up, this isn't a great, I think Thailand needs to get rid of this Thailand pass sooner rather than later. I'll get into details on that later. But, comparatively, Thailand is not as easy to get into as other countries and probably won't be considered such until Thailand pass is gone. That being said, this is definitely an improvement, so credit where credit is due. We're moving in the right direction. Hopefully things will get better as the weeks and months move ahead. We will keep you updated on this channel as the situation evolves.